Hello, good morning mga kalola. Welcome back to my channel. We are now preparing to go up to the view deck because I was informed by the in-house security about it, where we can relax and view the vicinity surrounding of the condo. 15 muna, tapos sunod 26. 15 muna. Bye-bye. We decided to take the stairs because it is one floor up from our crib. When we reached the 15th floor, we hurriedly went to the left side of the view deck because of its fascinating view. In their excitement, they did some posing and dancing and took pictures. Then we headed to the next view deck, same floor on the right side. It so happened that our unit can be seen from this spot where I stand, and also can be seen both ways, where my sister is pointing at. We call our brother by phone to make sure that is our unit. Thanks, that's my brother. As you look down, you can see the Uptown Mall, which is known for its dancing fountain, and it is more attractive during nighttime. We take a time out before going to 26th floor. Come on mga kalola, let's take another look of these view decks surroundings while they are resting. Moments later, we're going now to 26th floor via elevator. And now it's more exciting to be there in 26th floor because of the high altitude. For an added info, October 15 and August 26 coincides with my parents' birthdays, mom and dad respectively. Open sesame. Yan na lang kao. Yan. Push. This is the view from the 26th floor. Nika was amazed by the height of these tall buildings. Now we know what is a bird's eye view through this building. In their excitement, they posed with different heart-shaped gestures again. Let us look again the view from the left side of this 26th floor. After that second look, we are more excited to go to the other side of the view deck because we're almost near at the top floor of the condo. We can now see the rooftop of the building, and suddenly it rained. So we decided to take a rest. My brother took a selfie of his own and later joined my sisters to take a rest. I also take a selfie to move around to show you the view deck and the rooftop of the buildings. How about you mga kalola? Do you have acrophobia? Do you fear height? Comment below.
Automatic.
From the 26th floor, we're going down to
Wait.
5th floor.
Ano na kita
To view the
Mano.
To view
pool.
the swimming Instead of going back to the unit,
Careful fall.
we decided to go down and visit the pool and other amenities that the condo offers, such as the function room, the gym, playground, daycare, but we were not able to enter the other facilities because it is being sanitized every Monday. This is located at the 5th floor, Uptown Parksuite here in BGC. Swimming pool. Yeah, ay pa na siya. Dahil doon naman nakakuha na nakahigda sa ano. Training. Tukaw man lang. Ah, one. Gym. Sarado pa ang gym din. Daycare.
At yung pagbagin.
Ano mayong ilaw? Gym. Ay, nasa gym. We happened to reach the swimming pool of Tower 2 Parksuite while strolling. Iba nga pala ni. Swimming pool. Parksuite. Ay, di ba sa kabila eh? Ito. After strolling now, we're going back to our unit at the 14th floor.
Ikaw? Mapindot ka. Ang mapindot yan. Tapos naman.
Mapindot ko yan. Ay ko na yun. Pag-option yung mic.
Eh, Diyos ko di yan. Napindot ko si number. Yung hindi ka pa maintindihan.
Tayo. Going back to 14th floor. Garbage. We're back at our crib. Thank you for watching. Ciao Bella.